What's up guys, Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to show you how you can automate sending your lead magnet or whatever it is you might want to deliver after someone has opted in or requested that info. So we'll do a few different options here, and I'm going to cover DropFunnels first because I think it's an awesome platform for everything you get. And you can not only automate delivery of your lead magnet, but you can actually create a high quality lead magnet right on DropFunnels. So let's dive in. Inside here, this is just a membership course. So this will be the actual lead magnet that I've created, and we want to deliver this, right? So, but we don't want to have to manually sign someone up for this every time. We want that to be an automated process. As soon as someone opts in, that will automatically create their account and send them their login info. So when we're looking at the DropFunnels platform, a lot of the stuff we're going to need is under marketing. So under marketing, you can find funnels, which is where we'll create the opt-in page, and memberships. So this memberships tab is where we'll create the actual course to deliver, right? And we also have products. So under products, we can tie that to a membership if we want to sell it, or we can make it a free product and just deliver the course for free with an opt-in. So it's kind of optional how you want to handle that. You can also manually add members here. So if you scroll down, I'm going to block this out so you can't see my leads, but you can hit add member and just enter their info manually. But what we really want to do is create a product, right? So we'll create a product for that course. In this case, Facebook Marketing Automation Course. We'll make it a free product and a membership product. And we're going to link that in our membership. So as soon as someone opts in, they'll get access to this course. And if we go to the funnel, I'll show you how that looks. So this is the unlimited leads funnel. Right here under order confirmation, I send them their login details for the course automatically. And this is just built right into DropFunnels. You don't need an external email autoresponder, although I highly recommend you get one. But this part, the order confirmation, will automatically go out with their unique login details. Everyone gets a username generated based on their email and also a unique password. So it really keeps your course content protected. That's one reason I like DropFunnels. And it automates the delivery of that course. So that's DropFunnels. Here's an example of how this will work, or another way you could do it in DropFunnels. So let's opt into this funnel here. So this is my unlimited leads funnel. Someone can come here, enter their name and email address, click get the free course. And you can see that successfully purchased flashed on the screen for a minute. I send them to a thank you page. And you can see here on my phone that I was sent the login details for the course. So here's my login details for the course. That went out as soon as I logged in, or as soon as I submitted my opt-in info. So on the thank you page, I also give them access to click this button. So this is actually a link wizard link. And what's inside this link is a PDF. So instantly they can download this PDF. So that's the second tool you can use, Link Wizard. If you have a file 500 megabytes or less, you can create a Link Wizard file link. And this is cool to instantly deliver stuff. You can also password protect it if you want to. And you can control how it looks on social media. So I created a custom short link here, right? And customize the link preview. Anytime I share this on social, it's going to look amazing. And And as soon as someone clicks on it, they can instantly download that PDF. This works for short videos as well. Maximum file size up to 500 megabytes. So if you need an SOP, a training guide, or a free course or ebook deliverable, you can just create a link wizard link, and simple as that, they can download it. You can also make an opt-in link. So if you want to get their info first, before they download that resource, you can create something like this, and it will send them to that opt-in link. So before they get access, they'll have that opt-in link. You can customize the background, and we integrate with Zapier as well. So you can send this data anywhere to an external application and automate further processes. So here's another example of a way to deliver the content instantly. Instead of actually hiding it behind a membership area, you can just actually put it on the thank you page. So that's one thing I do with my main opt-in on my site. If you just go to tryjohnson.com and sign up for this marketing automation toolkit, once you opt in, I actually send you right to the toolkit. I don't even put a membership course or hide the content behind anything. You can actually access this at any time. I tell people to bookmark this page, and I put all my videos right on this course. So people can come here and learn exactly how to get all this stuff up and running. So there's a couple options. You could put it behind a membership area or send them directly to the page where they can access all of the videos and training. Another way, if you want to get another touch point, is text message marketing. For this, I use Chirply, and I'll show you why here. It's got some powerful automation features as well. So let me pull over my phone. If I open my camera here, you can see I'm looking at the screen. This is a Chirply flyer I created. Once I hover over that QR code, it prompts me to compose a message, and you could just text demo to this number and it'll react the same way. But as soon as I text that keyword, Chirply is going to respond with my autoresponder, and that will deliver that message for me as well. So you can build your email list, your text message list, and also automatically deliver that content, right? So up above, Chirply is giving me a notification that someone has opted in. I could then open it and start that conversation right from my phone. And this is the message that goes out. So, hey there, it's an automated message. You're now on my VIP list for demo purposes. To opt out, just say stop anytime. So that's my VIP club. I can also text free course, right? And in response, it could send me a link to the free course, and that could be a link wizard link, right? So I could automatically download whatever resource is behind there. Or there's some unique ways you can do this, but that's the way I like to do it. So I'll send them to an additional touch point, actually to collect that email in case I don't have it yet, because I use Chirply as inbound marketing as well. So I can put my keywords up in different places to get people in with my lead magnets and collect their phone number. Then I can deliver automatically the link to sign up and get their email, right? So now I sent them to the SMS Marketing Automation Course, where they can scroll down and actually access this for free. And this is again built in DropFunnels. So once they sign up, that's delivered automatically. The final thing that I really recommend is ActiveCampaign. So that's my email autoresponder. And this can get really complex, but I love it because you can visually see all your automations. So as soon as someone opts into the Facebook Organic Marketing Automation Course, I tag them with unlimited leads. And if they're not already using Genius Messenger CRM, I want to know that as well. I get notified personally via my Gmail account that someone has opted in. So it gives me that info right here. And this will be a pop-up on my phone, so I know I have a new opt-in. Then this email goes out automatically. You can see this one waits 10 minutes. I do that because DropFunnels is already delivering their login info. So I want to wait a little bit because they might already have access. I just want to make sure with this one that they got it okay. I give them the course login link here again, and also a link to reset their password if they'd like to do that. So with this email drip campaign type system, you get a lot of stats. You can view whenever someone opens an email, how many times they've opened it, if they clicked any links. You can segment them based on their engagement. And overall, ActiveCampaign is just an awesome platform, one of the most recommended in any marketing circle you go into. So they do have a free trial, I think, for 14 days. You can try it out. I am building out a course specifically for email marketing automation next, and it's going to be based in ActiveCampaign because that's what I use. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hopefully you've learned something about how to automatically deliver your content. The tools I recommend, again, are DropFunnels, Link Wizard, ActiveCampaign, and Chirply, depending on your goals. I'll put links to those below, and hopefully you guys can dive in and start automating your delivery of your lead magnets. That being said, hope to catch you on the next video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you on the next one.